we're given a unique one. We're being asked if A, B, and C are angles of a triangle. Prove that tanA plus tanB plus tanC is equal to tanA, tanB, tanC. So it's the product of tanA, tanB, tanC. Alright, so let's solve this from the left-hand side. So from the left-hand side, we have that. Now, this is gonna be easy to solve, but we will have to remember double angles. So here we're not going to use factor formula, we're going to remember double angles. So from double angles, remember that tan A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B. So now if we make tan A plus tan B the subject, we end up with that. Now the reason we make tan A plus tan B the subject is because we can easily substitute its values into our initial equation. So therefore our equation becomes that. Alright, so now next we know that from the angles of a triangle that A plus B plus C is equal to 180. That means A plus B will be 180 degrees minus C. So when we substitute that into our equation where there is A plus B, we end up with that. But now from the rules of double angles, we know that when we expand this value, tan 180 degrees minus C, it becomes that. So it becomes tan 180 degrees minus tan C over 1 plus tan 180 degrees tan C. But when we press on our calculator, we know tan of 180 is 0. So we can already see that 0 times tan C is 0 and 0 plus 1 is 1. So we have 1 on the denominator. Then at the top we have 0 minus tan C. So at the end of it all, we remain with a negative tan C on this side. So now when we open brackets here, we can see that we end up with that. So it becomes negative tan C plus tan A, tan B, tan C plus tan C. So now this and this will cancel, and then we'll end up with that. And hence we've proved our equation.